What's up, guys? It's Jordan the Boss here, and this video is just gonna be a little quick video. Well, I don't know if it's gonna be quick, but I'm spending DeMar DeRozan, the whatchamacallit, the Chinese New Year one, and it sold for 175K. So I'm gonna be opening some packs here and just see what I get. There's a throwback pack. Just gonna open these pro packs till I run out of money. See what I get. Marvin Williams. Come on. Doug McDermott. David Jeter. I don't like these things. They always give me bronze players. Come on. Greg Monroe. Ooh, what is this? Lineup Master. Oh, I think it's for the golds. Yeah. Let me just add that to the set. Big man. Pro pack. Come on. J.R. Smith. Throwback J.R. Smith. I might open up one throwback. So yeah. Oh my God. I want to eat. Come on. Not Marvin Leonard. Dang it. Jimmy Butler. Come on, CJ. CJ used to be an elite, I think. Marcus All. Come on. Joel Kick. Al Horford. Come on. I'm gonna open up just JJ Redick. I need to see if I okay. What is it? Open that later. Okay, open this two more. Okay, last one, and I'll open up the throwback. Like I said, guys, this is just a sort. Oh yes, thank you. Last pack, DeMarcus Cousins. I just wanted to get one elite. See if I can get this. Contains one golden elite player, two golden or better players. Yeah, I just might as well just for you, just for YouTube. Bang! No. Dang it. So I only got one elite and 174K with one throwback pack. So yeah, I'm just happy I got an elite, but not really happy that I just got an elite. So yeah, I'm gonna just like open. I'm gonna get more coins and open more variety packs. And yeah, watch out for that. So bye. See you later.